And I will let you guys know if I take it. It's getting there. Getting there. So guys, what I do at this point myself is I like to watch this little gray line push into that zone and make sure that it holds. So let's see. And where would the stop loss be on that? 87.6. So we'll do 87.5 as a stop loss. It's a real tight stop loss given the current price action. We have 89.2 entry. And we're looking for this momentum on gold because we also had real weakness on the dollar. All right, here's that dip. We're getting real close. Here we go. Volume starting to pick up in that level. I will take one long on gold here, guys. I'm in one contract on gold long, looking for us to make a new high a day. Just trend trading on gold, looking for it to hold the support zone. If we fail, I will just stop out. But right now, look, my entry is right in this low volume node. And if it goes right to stop, I just got to be able to accept that. Let's see, what's this? 86.8. 86.8. I have 87.4 as my stop right now. We'll be patient and see if this guy wants to hold. Longs on gold. 2.5 minutes left on this 5-minute. Could check the volume here too. Point of control was trying to move lower. I need to see price start to swing back higher and pick up volume to the upside. Because right now we did have point of control trying to move lower on both candles now. So again, it might stop me out, and that's okay. I know how much my risk is. We'll just reevaluate. We'll look for a re-entry. We'll be able to take another trade from there. Stop loss. I think I want to put my stop loss though at 86.5. But again, I don't want to like drop it too low or I take a bigger loss than I'd like. Because it can always re-enter. Getting a little volume there. I want to see the support start to build on gold. It looks like a big bid just stepped in there too. So let's see if we can start to pull around here. I'm in just one contract, guys. Just one. This is what we're trading on. What we're trading with. There we go. Good buying momentum. Nice. Like to see it. Beautiful. Looking for a 4-to-1 risk to reward on this trade. Low volume node on Bookmap is what gave me my entry. Even there was a nice scalp for 300 if I took it. But I do want to try to hold to a new high a day. If we could find some momentum behind us. The what's it called? Market Pulse is trying to tick green too, which is fantastic. We want to see this go super green. Yeah, there we go. The higher the volume pressure to the upside, the better. There we go, guys. Nice. Good stuff. YouTube, guys, if you're on here, make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button. This is our first trade of the day so far. We'll see how it wants to play out. I'll let you guys know if I exit. And, yeah. My biggest issue is CVD has been trying to move down a little bit up here, but nothing major. I do really like that we're holding this support area. There we go. Gold. Beautiful. Beautiful. Up 420 on it right now. Love to see it. 460, 450, 470. I think everybody that was trying to go short down here. Boom, boom, boom. Guys, look at that's amazing. What a way to start our Friday. 13 seconds left. Got to see if we could continue from here. Bookmap levels 3402.25. So I might be able to target 3402. We'll see. We'll hold it and we'll see. Got to be careful. They're sort of pulling some of the orders here. I want to see this volume continue higher. I'm just a little concerned on the CVD dipping over here. I might just take this for 500 if we could get another pump. Let's see. Okay, but if it gives me a strong pump, I'm not exiting. If anything, I'll move my stop loss to the wick we created down here. There we go. Beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. Gold. Go, gold, go. Go, gold, go. Really just ripping the face off of everybody that was trying shorts before. Damn, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Great trade, guys. Great stuff. Yeah, I don't like that little swing right there. Let's see, let's see. We'll try to be a little patient on it. Looks okay, man. Definitely looks alright to hold. Might give us another pivot higher. I want it to target at least new high a day, but sometimes that's a little too hard of a target. So let's see if we can get out for 600 on this trade. Little concerned on this pullback right here, but let's wait and see. Getting a little resistance, getting a little selling pressure. Again, if it gives me another spike higher, I will get out of this position. I'm readjusting my target price. Here we go. I will move my TP for just a moment higher in case we want to get like one of those wild wicks up like we were seeing before. But I also want to be careful that point of control is failing to move higher with us. We need to see this 418 move higher. We need to see, there we go. Give me some good volume here. Come on now. 390, that 399's got to move up. I don't like that we keep failing up here. I'm going to get out, let you guys know. Get out right up here. See if we could get us out of this trade right at 59.2. Really not a fan of, it's like, I actually sort of like price chopping around up here because now volume's consolidating up at this point. Positive delta on it. We'll hold for a second, still look to target new high a day. Right, so far so good. I'm glad I moved my take profit for a second, but look at, all right, manually exiting. See what we got out of that. 426, all right, not the worst. Could have done a little better on the exit, but not really in the sense that we're chopping right now. It's 208 left. We had a pretty smooth trade on that. I wanted to see this black level, this point of control, start to move higher up here. I suppose we do still have 2 minutes left and it can still happen, but I'm pretty locked in on those profits. Plus, if we end up just chopping up here, I don't want to be caught up in chop, especially because I had a very nice long entry. Gives me the ability to re-enter too, in case I do find a good re-entry. So guys, overall, good trade. Good trade. Not oh, here's where the second leg comes. We'll see. Looks okay. Re-entry, okay. Okay. Manually exit again there. Alright, now at 540. I took a little, I'll be real, I took a little scalp on that. 540 on it. So now I'm a little bit better on that. But good stuff overall, guys. I hope you guys were able to take that gold along with me, or MGC. Really good stuff. Slow and steady wins the race. I explained why I was taking the trade, where I was taking the trade. I like this big bid on gold right here, looking like we're trying to hold. But at this point, that was a nice little trades right there, guys. Very nice. Ho ho. Now I would possibly take a long here with the stop loss of the low we just made on this on Bookmap at least. But I don't like, look at the CVD. That's this green line in the back. It has been moving lower. So CVD's been moving lower while price has been moving higher. I'm never a big fan of that. YouTube, hit the like button, man, especially if you're making some money with us this morning. That was awesome, dude. Good way to start the day, and again, like I say, it ain't even 9:30 yet. Markets ain't even open yet. I want to talk about Figma just IPO'd in this. Guys, don't forget Figma IPO. I'm gonna send you guys a link to a quick little video recap I made on it. Like, what is Figma? I hear all about it. Well, I guess the video doesn't really answer what is Figma. More like what is stock-wise, why do they IPO so high, what's their valuation at. Oh, come on now. and the stock surged over 250%. Here's what happened. It launched at $33 and closed near $115, giving it a $45 billion valuation. The IPO is 40 times oversubscribed, fueled by 46% revenue growth and bold AI expansion. Adobe's $20 billion acquisition was blocked by regulators, pushing Figma forward as a top standalone player. Massive demand, strong growth. This IPO... I just realized I got loud towards the end. Loud-ish. We'll call loud-ish. All right, gold. What are we doing here, man? We looking for a re-entry on gold? Let's see. It's just such a tough spot. If that CVD has been moving higher, this would be my re-entry here on gold. And really just looking for those new high days. New high day, those already right here. Very close to that. Very close. Cool, man. Cool. There's Fig, dude, at 137 a share. That is crazy, man. It IPO'd at 33, but it didn't start trading until around 155, and that was at $91. Yo, good morning, Kev. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. What up, Mike, Andrea, Austin? What's going on?
Yo, hey, I just put that into Copilot. I just threw IPO in there, and it came back with that Figma thing you're talking about.
Nice. Hey, gold, where are we going? Oh, gold might be retesting this broken supply zone now. Hold up, let's see. Possible re-entry, but it's like this re-entry doesn't have a low volume node or anything, so I'm good. We're good. We took that one fire trade on gold so far. Now we wait, see if it wants to give us another setup. Look at this pullback, bro. Yeah. Right back to that recent candles point of control. A lot of selling volume, but we do have a target to the upside of 34.02 on Bookmap. What's funny, man? I love seeing different